How to make does respond on time mass. First grab swirl 2.222. Hey, can I have an ice cream? No.
Welcome back to Mix Olympics! After game number 1, ang score natin, Team Single with 5 points and Jimmy won with 6 points. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung sino ang magwawagi for game number 2. This one is called Members of each team will hum the song that they picked from the box provided according to the letter that I picked for them. Their team members will then guess the correct title of the song. Each team will be given 3 minutes to guess a total of 12 items. Each correct answer is equivalent to 1 point. We'll start off with the team single. Luigi, you will be the first over here, please. Single muna. Excited. Okay lang yan. You will be the first one. Not yet. On my go. Okay. Here we go. 3 minutes, 12 items. Luigi, 3, 2, 1, go. Letter T. T? Ba't ka tumatawa, Maris? 15. T. Give me the title. That's correct. Letter T. Yeah. Correct. Next. Letter E. 3 minutes lang, guys. Kailangan nyo bilisan. Number 3. Nasunod ang lahat. Next, Makoy. That's it. Go, pumunta dito. Letter E. Kita naman. 16. E dapat. Go dancing. Singing lang. E lang. E. Go dancing, ha?
Ano ba?
No dancing, ha? Singing lang to. Gentleman. Correct. Next. Gentleman by Sai. Letter D. 21.
Ha? Ay, hindi ko alam to.
Pass na.
Pass.
Up. Run away. Luigi. Si Luigi na next. Ikot tayo ulit.
Ang chance ko
Go.
ita.
Letter X. Mahal ko o mahal mo o mahal ako? Mahal ko o mahal ako? Kanina. Number 4. Go.
X.
Go dancing. We need the title. But that... Correct. Pass? Kayo ba na pass? The Way by Ariana Grande. The Way. Letter A. Hulaan nyo lang ng hulaan yung title. Matatamaan nyo din yan. Number 5.
Wait. Ano letter
A. Look at me. I cannot help you.
Pass.
Pass! Go next. Bahala na, JP na industry. Oh, next na naman.
Naniwala ko sa forever.
X4.
X.
40 seconds. Tama naman.
Tama.
Ikaw na hinahanap na.
20 seconds. Pass? Tama naman. Pass?
Pass na.
Pass! Himala! Letter M.
Yung ganun
11.
sa phone.
Time! Wala na time. Wala na. Last would have been photographed by Ed Sheeran.
Sorry, ang sanbakot.
So, ilan na nakuha nila? 3 lang out of 12. No. Guys. For real? 3 out of 12. Tandaan nyo guys ha, this is time trial. So lahat dapat every time pag ganito binibilisan natin para nakakarami. Now, it's your turn. Dito tayo, Neil.
Kahit mga 4 points.
Okay, tulad na sa kanila, 12 items, 3 minutes, 3, 2, 1, go. Letter N.
N.
1.
Anong tawa? Ay, hindi mo!
Pass! Justin Bieber, what do you mean?
Ano ba yan?
Letter L. 13. L.
L.
Next! Good job! Letter R. 9. R. Pass! Forevermore, side A.
Oh my God!
C. Number 6, C.
Oh my God. Anong letter? Hindi ko alam yung letter. Pass.
2 minutes. You don't know me, Catherine Bernardo. Letter
my God.
D. Number 20, D. Okay, next. Letter K. 23, K.
Wala. KK.
Pangarap lang kita, Paroke ni Edgar. Next. G. 22.
Ano yun?
G.
G.
Sa kanya.
Tama.
Hindi ko alam.
Pass.
Pare ko, Eraserhead.
Ang hirap.
Letter O. 1 minute. O. Okay, next. Letter L. 12. L. Animals, Maroon 5. Letter V. 2. Okay, correct. Next.
Ang hirap ng chorus ng worth it, ah.
W. Mamaya na yan. W. 18. 20 seconds. Pass. 12:51. Last na. Letter E. That is correct. At sila ay nakakuha ng 5 out of 12 items. So they have 11 and you guys have 8. That is going into game number 3. Tingnan natin if Team Single can cut to the lead or madagdagan ba ng Gimme 1 sa pagbabalik yan ng Mix Olympics.
How to make Does Respond on KineMaster. First, grab Swirl 2.0. Set the radius to 50 and strength to 10. Make it bigger. Grab -6 pitches. Grab 1 pitch and set color offset to 60 and hue to bigger. And here's the result. That's it. How to not make Does Not Respond on KineMaster. Grab color changer. Set the color offset to 360 and the hue to 50. Make it bigger, then flip it. Next,
Grab Swirl 2.0, make the radius 50, and make the strength
10. Make it bigger, export it, get the exported version, flip it, KineMaster.
Dati ang aking buhay ay kulang sa sigla. Gandang taglay ko ay hindi nila makita. Ngunit nang ikaw ay makilala, ang beauty ko'y nililingon na. So big and back, Shop till you drop. Sa Easy Shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack. Shop till you drop. Sa Easy Shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. So pick and pack. Shop till you drop. Sa Easy Shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack. Shop till you drop. Sa Easy Shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. Mundo'y magiging makulay. Easy Shop, life is worth living.